If you're thinking about buying or building a $1 million home in Indianapolis, the biggest mistake I see people make is they evaluate the wrong things, and it can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. At this price point, two homes can look very similar on paper, but have completely different long-term outlooks. So the question is, how should you actually think about it? There are really four things that matter. First is going to be replacement cost. In central Indiana right now, you're typically looking at around $275 to $400 per square foot just for construction. And that doesn't include land, site work, or time cost of the building. So sometimes a $1.2 million home might actually be below replacement cost, while another at the same price is significantly overpriced. Second is location, but not just the neighborhood. In this micro location driven area, luxury demand can vary street by street, and a home on the right block with the right setting will always outperform one that's just in the same neighborhood. Third is going to be architectural fit. The home has to make sense for the area. If it's overbuilt, too specific, or it doesn't match what buyers expect in that neighborhood, it can hurt you when you go to resale, even if it's objectively a very nice home. And fourth, this is the one that most people miss, is liquidity. At this price point, you're not just buying a home, you're buying how easy it will be to sell later on down the road. So homes that move quickly are the ones that the next buyer immediately understands the value when they're looking at it. So when you're deciding whether to buy or build, it's not really about which one's better. It's about which one gives you the strongest position across those four factors as you go into the future. So let's talk about building versus buying. Building can make sense if you're in the right location with the right builder and you understand the full cost and timeline. But it also comes with more risk. You've got cost overruns, delays, and sometimes you're going to over customize, and that's not going to translate into resale value very well. Buying an existing home can give you more clarity and less risk, but only if you understand what you're actually looking for. Let's talk about some of the mistakes. The biggest mistakes I see are over customizing. So misreading the ceiling of a neighborhood and focusing on finishes instead of long-term value. If you're even thinking about buying or building at this level, I'm happy to map this out with you so you can make the right decision the first time. Because a $1 million plus home, the goal isn't just to buy a home, it's to make a smart long-term decision. I'm Kris Bashenow, luxury real estate advisor in the Greater Indianapolis area. Feel free to reach out and connect.